Good morning, everybody. My name is James Cagle. Today we're going to be creating a video, and we are going to be installing a primary DNS zone for Bentek.local. It's on VMware, and I have Windows Server 2008 installed on that. I'm a second-year student in the Computer Information Systems program at the Treasure Valley Community College out of Ontario, Oregon. Let's go ahead and get started. It's kind of a long one, so what we're going to do is we're going to go here. We're going to open up the Server Manager. And from there, we're going to expand the roles, right? Then we got file services, print services, the Windows deployment, and DNS server. DNS server is where we're wanting to be. Okay, then we'll go ahead and come here. Then we got the 4 lookup zones. Okay. Okay. We're going to click more actions, and we're going to choose new zone. New zone. We're going to go through the wizard, and in the primary zone, we're just going to accept most of the defaults. It's going to be a forward lookup zone. And then here we're going to type in Bentek local. .local. We're going to click next. And in the zone dialog box, we want to accept the default file name by clicking next. Okay. Now we're going to allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Okay. I'm going to come here, and we're going to click finish. Alright. So we created a forward lookup zone. Now we're going to minimize this, and we're going to open up a command prompt. We're going to run it as administrator. As always, we're going to type in ipconfig register DNS. Okay. Nice. Okay. Now we're going to return to the server manager. There we go. And that's everything that's in there. Now we're going to go back to the command prompt, and we're going to type in DNSCND. Well, we're setting the primary DNS is what we're doing here. So zone reset, secondaries, Bentek dot local non-secure. There we go. Alright, now what we're going to do is what would happen, we would go we're going to go into the server core. This isn't really going to work because they're not connected, but we're going to go ahead and go through it. Okay, so in here we're going to go computer, and since it's on the computer, it's a backslash. Okay, leans backwards is how I look at it anyway. H key. Local machine system. I don't know if that's supposed to be capitals. Current control set. Current control set. Services. TCP/IP. And then parameters. Okay, let's go. So H key local machine, then we're going to go to system, and then we're going to go to current control set. Services, TCP/IP. TCP/IP right there, and then parameters right there. Alright, then we're going to find domain. Okay. So we found the parameters and we got the domain. Edit. We're going to modify it. Then enter Bentek local. Click OK. Then we're going to go back to the command prompt. Okay. Then ipconfig. Space / register. DNS. Okay. And that's it, man. It was kind of a long one, but that's how you do it. We did it through the server, then we did it in the server core, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.